Today I'm gonna show you basically how to get online boarding pass for KLM Airlines. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and type KLM Royal Dutch Airlines, and you gotta go to the official website, right? And then basically you're gonna see the official website. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and see right here, this is the interface, and make sure that you log in with your account. Okay, if you have already the information, go ahead straight forward to the check-ins right here, and basically you're gonna wait for a few moments right here. Okay, and afterwards you're gonna be redirected to the KLM Royal Dutch Airlines, and you're gonna enter all of your information, right? Including your your plan, your plan, your everything. Make sure that you log in with your account again, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead to the check-in, right? And basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and scroll a little bit down, and then basically if you have a booking details, just go ahead and enter the booking details, right? Enter your ticket number or booking code, last name, and flight number, and then basically you're gonna be able to click check-in. Basically after you added your last name, your ticket number or booking code, and the flight number, you're gonna be able to upload your boarding documents by scrolling a little bit down. And as you can see, I don't have actual account or flight number on that in that website. So basically enter your flight number, your ticket number or booking code, and last name. And if you haven't already logged in with your account, log in with your account and then enter the details. And as I said before, you're gonna be able to scroll a little bit down and find a button that allows you to upload your documents on Royal Dutch Airlines. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.